Me not come here for that.
Me say it, ladies.
Yo, don't me for this, yo.
Yeah, my friend, I'm a country boy. Come here, man.
Me never not with no man. Man from Portland. I come try from Stateville. Me never done no man go suck them a girl and a woman.
Them get King Johnny cross, angry and miserable. What kind of brightness that for real? They can't do one function and man come feed you with spoon. I don't even feed my kids, especially my son. Nah, sir. Why for that? Or ex. Anyways, as I can see, that King Johnny video, we're not gonna do much chatting, we're just gonna do much laughing, right? Alright.
So you believe say a white man make we can there, so you did see what them do. You did see what them
Me
do.
say, when it come to certain things.
Did you see what them do?
Oh, me answer, you know. When it come to certain things, it's not about belief. Because the word belief,
You know.
oh, when you use the word belief, anybody at all, there is a effing doubt. It is a doubt.
So how
and
you
need
get that?
to know
How
that.
you get that?
Oh, me get what? Oh, me get what?
Say a white man make we can there.
The way.
Yes, sir, today.
Remember, you know, me don't want to go back with that argument.
Yeah, you still never hindsight. That's why it a continue. Cause every argument we go come back to it.
Yeah, you come back with that.
Come back to that argument.
If you recently subscribed to this channel, yeah, we do a lot of Peanut Dread, Butter Cat, King Johnny, and other storytellers videos, yeah? King Johnny has never, in all the months I'm doing videos, from August of last year, is yet to give a straight answer to a question. I kid you not, the man beat around the bushes. Not even police and gunman no utilize nearby bushes like Johnny, cause him beat around the bushes. Although a gunman him always escape into nearby bushes. Anyways, we move forward.
Oh, that man. Drink water.
That's six. The man never get no liquor. You never get no liquor.
What you drink?
Water.
It look like so they want control where King Johnny consume. And the man a king, brother. Lego the alcohol, Lego the chaser. Make Johnny beat rum. Anyways, the next piece of video, gotta make you laugh sitting in the car. So grab your water, not your liquor.
Me need you to tell me that. Me said this a #1 price sneakers in America. Me know we're cheap. Sneakers like your friend Danny.
That's cheap, man.
Look where you put your foot. Look where you out them.
Nike.
Nike.
The ticky.
Me know that not expensive like this right now. I'm gonna look it up right now for the market.
What name?
What name? You know see it?
Wait name.
Me don't know what name.
Free.
But we know it's very expensive on the market in America in the mall.
I will tell us.
Me know we're cheap stuff now.
I buy it, man.
So that shirt that we have on now.
It doesn't matter if a line we buy it from. Expensive stuff me wear. That like expensive stuff me wear.
What? $438? What?
Come here, come go on. Me know we're cheap stuff like that. You can't come go on like say. We're expensive.
Tell him again.
Like no a blood clot. Excuse me language, sir.
Top shoes.
What? $430 something for King Johnny shoes? I know me almost clone the bar shoes until much apart there. I kid you not. Cause me they all say, oh, his shoes look like a Superman shoes. Cause he have one S on it. Or probably me not see straight. But Johnny, I go with things, Johnny. I never wear shoes cost more than $150 yet. Alright, now my shoes I wear are flip-flops, slippers. What, $25? Yeah, man. Anyways, Johnny having expensive shoes and the expensive hat and the expensive clothes. And we over here watching a laugh. Let's jump in the next piece.
I don't respond to the next guy. Me come first. Me come first. No woman, no man, no come before me. Me come first.
So Danny, you don't agree with that, what I say?
Oh.
Him can't understand what I say.
Some buckle agree with.
Him not go agree, kind don't understand him. Me talking the two things. You don't understand what I say.
Me understand.
Me say take the YouTube and what we are do out of the aquarium. Me nobody. Me not put in front of me and me come first.
Me not take your argument.
But you can't do that. You cannot do that.
Shut the fuck with that. Cause who is you if you talk about you? You don't have one moment. You don't have a dress in your bathroom. You don't have nothing to talk about.
Yeah, that's so simple. But you're into the argument now.
Yeah,
that's so simple.
That's
so simple.
Nobody can go in front of you. Nobody don't come to me now.
The brethren,
If you go put other people in front you. If you put other people, it no matter who it is, I'm not going to turn detail right now because people are going to come on social media and say, Ray. But some people are going to understand me and say, people are going to understand that. If you are going to tip people and put people in front of you, after that, and knowledgeable people will tell you,
that,
say, people will tell you that, you know.
That will come first, man.
What do you mean? You can't put people in front of you. I'm going to break it.
Calm down, man.
No, but you are getting upset right now and you tell him so. Tell him.
But him probably just a mess with the kind of
No, don't do that. He can't do that. But he get heated. He's not supposed to do that, Bingy.
Listen me, Johnny get ignorant a while ago. Yo, Johnny head get hot a while ago. Johnny head get hot like a 10 fire side. Nah, man, but for real though. You, me, you come first. Everybody else come last and you come first. Yeah, man. You have to put yourself first. Because if you don't put yourself first, guess what? You might just come last. You have to look out for your interests first. You know, they always a clone Johnny still, no, but Johnny always make a lot of sense. And what Johnny just say, that make a lot of sense, man. Yeah, man, always put yourself first, no matter what, man. The Bible say, what? As a man, you must... I don't remember what the Bible says, but the Bible says something about that still. I have to go read what the Bible says. Well, anyways, we have one more piece. Oh my God, I feel shame. Probably cut out the piece because me a Christian, I don't know what the Bible says. Anyways, Father God, you know where I'm going. Put yourself first. Yeah. Last video.
A lot of parents have them unruly kids. And them cannot take care of them kids.
You can come tell me that I'm a run with that.
They cannot govern them kids.
Show me some reason.
Because them kids disrespect them in front family member, in front friend, in the public.
Which picnic you know when a road?
No bother with that. Not
Every picnic road.
me not dependent with you.
So we are going to say people picnic road and eat him tree road.
That's what the argument based upon of.
People are going to eat for your picnic them like poisons.
My child couldn't do that.
What else picnic know I'm want for road?
When your daughter, you and your daughter walk.
Remember, you know, my picnic good a road, but at the end of the day you have more manners, more for your fucking picnic, you know.
No matter start your FUCKYYYING. No matter with that. No matter with that.
You can't tell your picnic that, not tell me that.
Yeah, man, because the whole I don't know off top of my eye.
Where picnic do you? When you take a fry you?
The Bible says, me know the part of train up a child in the way that he should grow. Because when he gets old, he may not depart from it. Spoil the rod. Don't spoil the rod. How you do? Don't spoil the child and whatever the rod. You don't know what me I talk about. Anyways, you must grow your child with discipline and you must set example for your child because children live what they learn. And children are visual learners, so them gonna do what them see you do. You see me I say? Them gonna say what them hear you say. So, be careful around the kids them and we gonna end it right this out. So if you like the video, like your video, subscribe, click the notification bell and tell me which one of the Johnny videos are your favorite. And I don't remember what else, but as always, stay safe. God bless.